I am going to video for you 8218 Green Parrot Road, Unit 308. It's in the Summer Key Condos subdivision. It's a third floor unit. You walk into the unit, you have ceramic tiles in the foyer area to the right. You have your kitchen. A stackable wash and dryer inside the kitchen. To the left, you have a storage closet, and then you also have your pantry area. This is the kitchen. It also has ceramic tile on it, and a dishwasher, stainless steel, microwave, stove, and a refrigerator with the ice maker and water machine on it. The flooring, the dining room area has vinyl down on it. Looks like luxury vinyl planking on it with a chandelier. And then you have the living room area that has a ceiling fan. It also has the same flooring down. You can walk out onto the balcony area that overlooks the pond. Here you have a small area that has your hot water heater. This is on the foyer area, and you can use it as some storage too. Here. Okay, back into the living room. If you go to the left, you have two of your bedrooms over here. All the bedrooms have the same flooring. You have a ceiling fan. A closet that has double doors. Nice size closet. And in between, you have your AC unit. And also in between the two bedrooms, you have a bath that has a shower tub combination, one sink vanity, the electric panel, and then the second bedroom that has the double doors, closet also. And you have, it overlooks a pond. Then we can walk out. We walk into the master bedroom that has the same flooring. It also overlooks the pond, but the view is kind of obstructed by some trees that's growing. You have a walk-in closet. And in the master, you have a shower, single sink vanity, ceramic tile on the floors. Again, this unit is 8218 Green Parrot Road, Unit 308. It's a third floor unit. It's in the Summer Key Condo subdivision. It's priced at $195,000. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 904-316-4018. And the stackable washer and dryer, it does come with the unit also. Thank you.